meantime, as far as the reactions that have been coming in from the TMC side as well, saying that the opposition is very much united, and Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, will be attending this meeting. But there has been a lot of blame game that has been taking place over the budget as well, as DMK is staging a protest against the centre. As far as Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is also concerned, he, in a video, has been accusing the ruling BJP at the centre of using it as a tool for revenge against the states and people who rejected the party in recent parliamentary elections. He also argued that the budget that has been presented by the Union Finance Minister appears to be a retaliatory measure against those who supported the India bloc rather than a plan for the welfare of all Indian citizens. So this has been the claim that has been put out, saying that multiple states that are ruled by the opposition have been ignored, have been sidelined deliberately. Well, as far as M.K. Stalin, who has been justifying his decision to skip the Niti Aayog meeting in New Delhi that is being chaired by Prime Minister Modi, citing discriminatory attitude towards Tamil Nadu evident in the budget, according to the Chief Minister, where he pointed out that the state's request for disaster relief that amounts to over 37,000 crores and funding for the second phase of Chennai Metro Rail that were also ignored. And he further alleged that the BJP government operates with a political motive that has been continuously disregarding the state of Tamil Nadu and the people of Tamil Nadu, as he's been claiming that the centre has been withholding funds that should have been routinely released on part of even when it comes to the disbursement of the funds for the development of the state. The Chief Minister, meanwhile, has also said that the BJP will continue to face back-to-back electoral setbacks in future. As far as he's also said that this is in the light of the central government's actions that is now being witnessed, as the DMK has been taking on as far as these protests are also concerned. This is against the budget. Posters that have been put up against the union budget, the protest that is taking place against the centre, against the BJP.
வணக்கம். இந்நேரம் டெல்லியிலே நடைபெறுகிற பிரதமர் தலைமையிலான நிதி ஆயோக் கூட்டத்தில் பங்கெடுத்திருக்க வேண்டிய நான் ஒன்றிய பாஜக அரசோட மாற்றாந்தாய் மனப்பான்மை கொண்ட நிதிநிலை அறிக்கையால நீதி கேட்டு மக்கள் மன்றமான உங்க முன்னாடி பேச வேண்டிய கட்டாயத்துக்கு ஆளாக்கப்பட்டிருக்கேன். அப்படி புறக்கணிச்ச மாநிலங்கள்ல அந்த மாநில மக்களை பழிவாங்குற பட்ஜெட்டா தான் ஒன்றிய நிதி அமைச்சர் தாக்கல் செஞ்சிருக்க பட்ஜெட் அமைஞ்சிருக்கு. ஒட்டுமொத்த இந்திய மக்களுக்காகவும் உருவாக்க வேண்டிய பட்ஜெட்டை இந்தியா கூட்டணிக்கு வாக்களிச்ச மக்களை பழிவாங்க உருவாக்கி இருக்கார். இது இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு சட்டத்தின்பால் அவர் ஏற்றுக்கொண்ட பதவி பிரமாணத்துக்கு முரணானது. ஒன்றிய பாஜக அரசானது தொடர்ச்சியா தமிழ்நாட்டை புறக்கணிச்சுக்கிட்டே வருது.